Hi viewers, Asma's here and you're watching Virtuoso Palette. Today I'm going to start a new short series that is based on double exposures. It is basically a photographic technique and mainly involves to combine two images to create a single image. So let's see, hope you like it. Let's go to look, watch and observe.
A warm welcome to Virtuoso Palette. Viewers, as you know that in the first painting of double exposure, I painted a yoga posture again. That was mermaid pose. Now in the rest of the double exposure paintings, I shall paint faces, portraits, targeting the photographic technique in painting. To prepare the base here, I am applying the blend of magenta pink and white using a wash brush. I'm almost done with the base. Now I have drawn an outline for the face I want to paint, and using my palette knife, I'm applying some lines with burnt umber and just a drop of black for the image I want to paint. Now viewers, for the leafy effect, I am using a darker tone of magenta pink and white. To create this painting, in addition to magenta pink, I shall use burnt umber, black and white. And I might use some carmine red too. You can see that so far I'm applying strokes with palette knives. I'm not into much blending here. Now the darker tone in leaves are created with a blend of magenta pink and carmine red. I'm adding strokes, and you can see that in this painting I'm not using much of blending technique. It is more in strokes and building the image gradually. There's some carmine red I'm using at the chin, the nose, the lips. And I'm about to give a few strokes using a brush, applying titanium white for blending a little for lighter tones in some of the portions. You can see how I am using my palette knife to create some dark branches and then adding leaves using a brush. It is elaborating more of the contours of the face. Viewers, actually, double exposure creates a surreal feeling for an image, and two images can work together to convey a deep meaning or symbolism. For an easy approach, I would say that double exposure images are related to a dream world or a fantasy. Now I'm drawing these lines for branches using my palette knife. Some pure carmine red, I find double exposure images a combination of imagination and creativity in people's own skill, whether it's photography, painting, sculpture, or prints. The result of double exposures are dramatically amazing. Now, as I was painting in silhouettes, I realized that silhouettes can be painted beautifully in double exposures. So that's why you are watching these videos. Viewers, if any one of you have an idea of an image to paint in double exposure, you should give it a try. It is always exciting to try out something new. There you go. I'm almost done with the painting. Just highlighting some of the portions, some strokes. I shall be looking forward to your comments and suggestions on Virtuoso Palette for this video.
Viewers, I hope you had fun watching the video. Please do share Virtuoso Palette with your family and friends. See you!